Palm Tran's Paradise Pass can take you anywhere in Palm Beach County for only $5 all day. Let's visit some transit-accessible parks together.
Routes 2 and 3 to Pondhawk.
Drivers and passengers are so friendly. Route 62 to Snook Islands. Route 1 to Hypolouxo Scrub. OMG tortoise, so cute! "10 out of 10 Nature Day with Palm Tran Paradise Pass." It can take you anywhere from Belle Glade to the beaches. Ride with Florida's premier transit authority on Palm Tran.